welcome back to Christine's Travel Culinary. Today I'm going to make a tuna fish, fresh fish with Asian dressing salad. Over here, all you need the ingredients are 200 grams of tuna, and then spinach, fresh spinach or baby spinach, about a quarter or about 150 grams, and lettuce 150 grams as well. We try to use the Roman lettuce, and then red cabbage about 150 grams, chopped roughly, and tomato is about one whole tomato and one whole avocado, small avocado, and also chopped roughly. And here is half of red onion chopped roughly, and then also half of red pepper chopped roughly, and pineapple, also a quarter pineapple. Usually I use a mango because this season is not mango season, yeah? So I replace it with pineapple. So it's better actually with the mango. So over here for marinating for the fish, so we need 2 garlic, small garlic here, and you need to grate this smoothly, and chili chopped smoothly as well, and ginger, it's about a quarter ginger, grated. For this chili actually you have to chop it smoothly, but we need one of this chili, the spicy one. If you don't have green chili, you could replace it with red chili. I think red chili is slightly better because I don't have the red chili again, so I use this green chili. And a quarter of maybe just like big palm of your, not big palm, that is, use this coriander here, and also chop smoothly. And again here for the salad dressing, all you need 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon maple syrup, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, and 1 big tablespoon sesame seed. This is actually, I got this red one. This is quite spicy, but if you don't have red sesame seed, you could replace it with the white one, yeah, white sesame seed. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. And as well for this fish, actually you could put this sesame seed as well. I mean, you must sorry, not good. You must put the 1 sesame seed, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and also again little bit sprinkle of salt. Okay guys, I'm going through this salad, this tuna salad, so I'm going through step by step. So now you just have to watch and this tuna, yeah, fresh tuna. All I have to do, take just sprinkle of salt, just put it over, just very tiny, yeah? Make sure just not much, like that, and turn it over this tuna to one side. Then put this also sesame oil, I told you already, just 1 big tablespoon, yeah? So you just rub it off to this tuna, one side to one side. And now put the garlic on top. Again, rub it off. And one side as well. And now ginger. And now also this one side as well. To both sides, yeah, and rub it off with your hands. And then chili as well, like that. and then change it the other way. I mean, turn it over and then rub it up as well with this chili. So you just before you start it, or before you cook this fish, just leave it like about 15 minutes. Okay, and now I put this coriander as well. Turn it over. Okay, later on I'm going to put on the side, put this sesame seed, yeah? Okay guys, now I'm going to put this sesame seed into this kitchen or paper towel, kitchen towel. You see, over here. Just pour it over and bring this tuna fish into the slowly one side. And that one as well. Yeah, like that. See this. This sesame seed is very good for your health, and also it's good if you're making for this seaweed, yeah? Like that, guys. So I put it back into the plate. Now I'm going to cook. Okay. Just follow me and keep watching this my cooking tutorial. Okay, over here, now I'm going to fry this tuna already marinated. So you don't need for cooking this, make sure always the heat is not too high, yeah? Just in a medium heat like this. And then one is really hot, this frying pan. You just put this fish or fry this fish without any vegetable oil, because you have already marinated with this sesame oil, yeah? To cook this tuna, you don't need to cook so long, maybe about 4-5 minutes, because it's nice to cook like half cooked. Put this again sesame oil for 1 tablespoon. This is for the salad dressing. And maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you could also replace it with honey, yeah? And now black pepper. If you like, put some little bit lemon. So totally it's up to you as well. If you like to be sour, but sometimes I like with this lemon as well. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. It's not necessary to use lemon, yeah. But I just like kind of a bit sweet sour taste. So what this sauce look like? The dressing salad. Sorry. Here we go. Is tuna cooked now? Can you see it's like this color? So I'm going to slice it slowly on the other side or diagonal. Just we're gonna check what the meat look like. See, quite like kinda half raw. Smells good. I can't wait to taste it. You could slice this very fine one or rough one. Is again totally depend of your taste. Because this just only for salad, yeah. So I quite like little bit rough, but not too rough. It's maybe like kind of half, just like this. Yeah. Fishy is very good down here. It's very cheap, especially down in Mexico. A lot of seafood around here. Here we go. The tuna is ready. So I'm going to marinate it with the salad dressing, yeah? Okay. Just follow me. Okay, now I'll put on top with this sprinkle of coriander, yeah, just to look nice for presentation. Keep nice, good garnish. Here we go. This tuna salad with Asian salad dressing. Okay. Doris is enjoying this salad. Tuna Asian dressing salad. Because you put some bacon as well.
Pineapple, avocado.
Real good for this tropical. I think that kind of, like Asian dressing salad, yeah. And this also put with this baguette, as you like, because he likes also with the bacon. I make it special for mihijo. Specialito mihijo. What do you think, Jojo? Good? Okay, now selamat makan. Coba sama yang itu gimana? You try the other one. Try the big baguette. Spaghetti, okay? Bon appetit. Selamat makan.